Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, just go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your added passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now hit Edit button right next to the Delete one and change wherever you wish to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!